Now, in order to know the signs, or you want to know the signs of a damaged skin barrier, dry skin and tight. Yes, you have a damaged skin barrier. Redness, irritation on your skin. Your skin is itching you if you apply any skin product. You also have flaky patches, more like all these white patches on your skin. You need to treat your damaged skin. And there are ways to go about it. You need to stop whatever product you think is triggering it. The first one is exfoliation. If you know you're using harsh chemicals to exfoliate, be it your AHA, your BHA, your PHA, put it to a stop. All right. Now, retinol and retinoids. I know some of you say, retinol no man shame. Yes, because it's a bit harsh and your skin is sensitive at this point in time. You cannot use anything that contains retinol and retinoids. Put it on hold just for a while. I'm not saying you should stop using it completely, but just for a while till you repair your skin barrier. Don't forget that your skincare routine for daytime is different from your skincare routine for night. I think I talked about it in our last video. So your skincare routine for daytime, when you're trying to treat a damaged skin barrier, make sure you're using a lightweight moisturizer during the day that contains properties that lock in enough moisture, like ceramide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, D-panthenol. I keep stressing on D-panthenol a lot, which is vitamin B5. It's very good. And if you can get squalene, also beautiful on the skin. Make sure you get to use your sunscreen, and your cleanser has to be gentle cleansers. Just those 3 is enough. Once you're going out during the day, you don't need too much work. Now, at night, bear in mind, your moisturizer has to be a heavy moisturizer, but it must not contain any whitening additive, because at this point, you're trying to repair and not cause more damage on your skin. So at night, you get to use your petroleum jelly. That is Vaseline. Yes, that is where it works. But a thin layer of it, not too much. You also get a repair cream. Most times, there are products that would indicate that it's a repair cream. They are a bit heavy, not on a lightweight section. You get that. And you also need to stay hydrated. You need to drink lots of water. Many of you don't drink water. Whatever you eat from inside, it reflects on the outside. Lots of fruits, and you need to rest. That's resting, sleeping. I'm not even having time to rest. I want to go and rest. So I need to rest. So we need lots of rest. It's necessary in terms of recovering your skin, and avoid anything that contains fragrance or essential oils. For now, you don't need those things. Okay?